Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Royal Q bot with Binance. First, you'll need to set up your Royal Q account and link it to your Binance exchange. This involves generating API keys on Binance and carefully pasting them into Royal Q. Ensure you grant only read and spot trading permissions for security. This initial setup is crucial for the bot to execute trades on your behalf, allowing for automated cryptocurrency management around the clock. Once connected, it's time to configure your trading strategy within Royal Q. You'll choose specific cryptocurrency pairs like BTC versus USD and set your initial buy-in amount. Carefully adjust parameters such as the number of margin calls, typically between 3 and 7, and the profit ratio, often set around 1.3%. These settings dictate how the bot buys dips and takes profits, optimizing your trading performance. With your strategy configured, you can now activate the bot. Royal Q will begin executing trades based on your defined parameters. It's important to regularly monitor its performance through the application's dashboard. Pay attention to real-time data, profit and loss statements, and any alerts. The bot operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but occasional checks ensure everything runs smoothly according to your plan. Finally, effective risk management is paramount when using Royal Q. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider diversifying your portfolio. Regularly review your bot's performance and adjust strategies as market conditions change. For instance, you might reduce your initial buy-in during volatile periods. Proper capital allocation, often starting with a minimum of $100 per trading pair, helps maximize potential returns while minimizing exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.